video, we will tell you a very brief review of our research progress in the last 2 weeks. First, after further discussion with our Professor of Fisheries and field experts, we are finally done with the design of the new model and scale for the next research. In this research, we are using catfish as our subject. We separate the subject into 3 tanks that have different heights. Our goal in this experiment is to collect more real informations of the ideal depth for minnow and to compare it with the existing concepts and theories, because multiple testing with different subjects and variables are very necessary before we embark into production stage. Secondly, we have started the small manufacturing process of this research. As the variables of this research are a little bit different with our previous research, we had to tinker our design. Thus, the measurement and recalculation had to be done so the product would fit with our research design. This process has been spurred by Mechanical Technology Laboratory, Gadjah Mada University. Third, in cooperation with the Department of Fisheries Gadjah Mada University and local catfish farmers, we start the installation process of minnow. Start from the base, we assembled the pipe, connected all the joints, and set electronic series to make the water pump on. Lastly, we did final check on the system and will maintain the quality control. As for the data collection and interpretation, just like the previous research, will be supported by Chemical Engineering Department and Fisheries Department of Gadjah Mada University. For further development, we will prepare the tools and equipment that is necessary for the field application of minnow. As for the mass production plan, we will try to engage closely with local manufacturers in Yogyakarta. In the end, this project will be able to create a bigger ripple effect by benefiting many stakeholders. In this case, we hope we will not only help the fish farmers to have a better livelihood, but also the local business. We also have started to discuss closely with our mentor. In the last August 10, one of our team went to USAID office in Jakarta to brainstorm and discuss directly with our mentor, Mrs. Sally Katharina, a marine program specialist for USAID. For the next 2 weeks, we will continue the catfish experiment, preparing for the next development of minnow and to improve the product so it could be more sustainable.